Hey everyone, Jason here. Last year I posted a time-lapse video kind of illustrating the design process I went through for this nativity scene insert I made for the pop-up book. And I realized Christmas is still over a month away, but I did receive a lot of requests for instructions for this. So I thought I should post them a bit early to give anyone interested time to actually build it before the holidays. And you can find those instructions and a parts list for it freely available over at jkbrickworks.com. The instructions show you how to build all of the individual components, but they don't really show you how they go inside the book. And for the most part, that is pretty self-explanatory, but I thought I would go through it just in case there is anything that is unclear. And if you've ever tried to design an insert for the pop-up book before, you know that space is pretty tight inside, so you do have to pay attention to make sure everything fits. The star is built using the same mechanism as the beanstalk from the official set, so that the base just clips onto the bar on the inside of the spine here. And the anchor inserts into the first stud from the right on this brick here. And I'm still super impressed by this mechanism that Wes designed. The 4x4 plate holding the chicken is connected to these 4 studs, so that there is a 1 stud gap between it and the pages in the back. And that's so that when you close the book, the chicken will clear the support of the star. The plates holding the pig are connected to the 3 remaining studs on the brick that's holding the anchor down. And the manger has a clip on its base, which clips into the same bar holding the base of the star. For the insert itself, the positioning of the figures is important as they can't interfere with each other when the book is closed. And they also can't overhang outside of the 4 studs of width available for the closed up insert. I found it works best with Joseph's front leg connected to this stud here and rotated so that his rear leg is flush with this edge here, and with the front right of Mary's dress connected to this stud here, and again rotated so that the back right of her dress is flush with this edge here. And I've also found it helps to have her left arm raised all the way so that when the insert is closed, it doesn't interfere with Joseph in any way. Now you may notice I have a goat here, which I didn't actually include in the instructions since they are pretty rare and quite expensive on the secondhand market. And in the instructions I just put another chicken there, but of course you can use whatever animals you have on hand. There are tons of cute animals that have been released over the years that will fit. And of course the insert just connects using the standard connection mechanism. The decorative train pieces in the front also connect normally. And here are the 3 wise men with their trusty camel. And that is about it for this one. Even though it is early, I do wish everybody a happy holiday season. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep on building, and I will see you next time.